I'm Rakshita HB.
I'm Harshita HB.
We are HB Sisters. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Just look at her guys. Do we look like same? I just converted her into me. Yeah, we just shot one video now and uploaded it. So please go and watch that. Not now, after this video. Okay, so today we are doing twin telepathy challenge. It's like यहाँ ice cream होगी और उसके लिए different types of 6 to 7 varieties of toppings होगी. जब भी हमें टॉपिंग्स चूज़ करनी पड़ेगी, अगर हम दोनों ने सेम टॉपिंग्स चूज़ कर दिया तो मानो कि ट्विन टेलीपैथी चैलेंज हम जीत गए. गाइस, हम लोग आइसक्रीम में तो ट्विन टेलीपैथी चैलेंज नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि वी बोथ लव चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम. चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम इज़ रेडी नाउ. लेट्स गो विथ दी टॉपिंग्स. ओके, तो हमारी पहली टॉपिंग्स है चॉकलेट. तो यहाँ पे डायरी मिल्क और उसके बाद किट कैट. तो अब हमें ट्विन टेलीपैथी यूज़ करके सेलेक्ट करनी है टॉपिंग्स. टॉक समथिंग.
I don't have anything to talk. I just love chocolate.
Let's do a countdown. Okay, 3, 2, 1 and we'll
And
select.
pick up the one which
Yeah.
we are selected. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, I haven't decided it. It's too difficult. Okay, I'm done.
3, 2, 1, done. Show me. Really?
Why did you choose that?
मुझे लगा ये डायरी मिल्क चूज करेगी, पर यू नो व्हाट, मुझे किटकैट ट्राई करनी थी चॉकलेट के साथ, तो मैंने किटकैट सेलेक्ट किया. मैंने
The reason I chose that one is because it's already too much chocolatey, so I thought wafers would be better.
okay, I'm so
So we're
happy.
gonna put this right away.
Yeah, okay. I'm so happy that we
That's
are
really
doing.
unexpected.
Yeah.
I thought she'll think that I will select dairy milk and then she'll select this one.
Okay. I will cut and put. One is enough. Okay, done with the chocolate topping and now it's time for. आप लोगों को पता नहीं है guys कितना कंजेस्टेडली हम बैठे हैं यहाँ. केक की बारी है. यहाँ है एक स्प्रिंग रोल और एक मफिन्स और एक चॉकलेट केक. अब हमें ट्विन टेलीपैथी यूज़ करनी है. स्टिल कंफ्यूज्ड बट आई होप ये भी सही आएगा. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. ओह, ट्विन टेलीपैथी बताओ.
Sending you the signal, just receive it.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Seriously? I thought she'll choose muffin.
No, it will be difficult to eat with the muffin, no.
Yeah, मुझे भी ऐसा ही लगा क्योंकि तुम्हारी फेवरेट है ना ये. मफिन्स इसकी फेवरेट है, बट यार क्या अच्छा है चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम के इसका खाने के लिए.
I don't know how this tastes, but I just chose because it's spring roll, Swiss roll.
Spring roll.
It's written Swiss roll here.
Okay, Swiss roll. Whatever.
Swiss roll with chocolate.
Okay, we'll just.
This is
chocolate.
nice.
Yeah.
It's
चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम ना पूरा मेल्ट होने
good.
लगा
But
है.
it's too sweet, I guess.
It's very soft. I don't want to eat it now. Okay, done with. Oh, guys, this is also same. We are like pro in twin telepathy.
Working.
Yeah. Now it's biscuit time. यहाँ है hide and seek और bourbon and Oreo. और बहुत ही ज़्यादा मुश्किल है इसमें सेलेक्ट करने की, क्योंकि सब कुछ हमें पसंद है. मुझे पता है कि मैं क्या सेलेक्ट करूँगी.
3, 2, 1.
Done?
Yeah.
Oh no! मुझे लगा तुम ओरियो सेलेक्ट करोगी क्योंकि ओरियो गोज वेल विथ आइसक्रीम.
No, I didn't know that, but I feel like Bourbon has this sugar thing. I don't
Yeah.
like it, and Oreo is too sweet for me. That's why I chose this.
हम फेल हो गए guys, इसमें फेल हो
But
गए.
actually, it's her favorite. one,
Yeah,
and this
Oreo is my favorite. Anyway, we are leading.
Who eats biscuit? I mean, biscuit with this one.
Who eats biscuit with ice cream? People eat. I like Oreo with ice cream actually. I tried once. मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
I don't like it.
Okay. Okay, here we go. अब हमारी next topping है. It's some kind of what do we say?
Chocolates.
Chocolates something. वो होता है ना आइसक्रीम के साथ कुछ एक्स्ट्रा वाला. यहाँ है Gone Mad और उसके बाद wafers. Oh my god, I love both. Okay, let's see. I hope this time हो जाए यार. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Which one?
I don't like this at all.
I was scared कि ये मेरी फेवरेट सेलेक्ट करेगी बट नहीं, इसने उसी की फेवरेट सेलेक्ट. कौन सा वाला अच्छा लगेगा? मुझे लगा गॉन मैड अच्छा लगेगा, सो आई टुक इट.
My favorite chocolate. Gone.
Yeah, it's too sweet.
Sweet.
हाँ, मुझे ज़्यादा स्वीट लगता
There's a
है.
strawberry flavor also, I guess. That's too sweet. This is not too sweet.
Oh, you have to break it, okay? तुम्हें इसे ब्रेक करके पूरा का पूरा मिक्स करनी है.
I don't want
Like
to eat
this.
like
Oh
that.
my god. Oh my god. Look at this. पूरा messy कर दिया मैंने. Mess हो गया यार. Just look at this, guys. I can't even see ice cream in this. मुझे पता भी नहीं. तुम खा रही हो. अब खाने के लिए टाइम नहीं है. अब जल्दी जल्दी से करते हैं, नहीं तो आइसक्रीम मेल्ट हो जाएगा. Okay. Our next topping is candies. We have your Chupa Chups, and then we have gems.
I know what I'm gonna say.
Twin telepathy. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, seriously, this one has no chance against this. Okay, no, I don't think anybody would select this one for ice
Yeah,
cream topping.
it's-
So when I saw this, I was like, what is this? Who will eat with that?
That's true. पर
I mean, if you
मुझे ना,
like it, I'm not judging you.
बट मुझे वो सेलेक्ट करनी थी. छुपा चुप्स मुझे सेलेक्ट करनी
What?
थी. या मुझे ट्राई करना था आइसक्रीम के साथ कैसे का लगेगा.
Okay, I will tell you the spoiler, it will taste bad.
बट वॉट टू डू. मुझे लगा कि ये जेम्स ही सेलेक्ट करेगी. अब यहाँ तो ट्विन टेलीपैथी करनी है मुझे तो.
I think only one went wrong.
I love this.
Oh, everything
Yeah.
is wrong. Oh.
No, one is wrong. Which one? Hide and seek wala.
Hide and seek.
Wow. Can you guys also see my?
Mine looks pretty.
We'll also show you the presentation. मुझे नहीं पता था कि presentation matters in this.
But
I
you
don't
have
know.
to eat in the end.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, mine look so messy, guys. हाँ, एक टॉपिंग्स है कैडबरी शॉट्स और एक और है हर्शीज किसेस. वो भी आलमंड फ्लेवर्स में चूज करनी है.
you should select wrong. I don't. I just feel like it will be wrong.
तुम्हें लगता है?
Because
Okay.
I mean, both are good.
या दोनों भी बहुत ही अच्छा है. दोनों भी मेरी फेवरेट है. एंड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू चूज एक्चुअली. तुमने डिसाइड किया? 3, 2, 1.
Seriously thought you were gonna choose that.
Seriously, shots? Guys, I love Hershey's Kisses. I love, but you know, मुझे लगा शॉट्स अच्छा रहेगा. Thank God इसने शॉट्स चूज किया. After a long time eating this, make some decorations. See, guys. It looks so messy. Okay, so our last and final toppings are. She's already eating or what? I can hear the crunches. यहाँ पे choco chips and आलमंड्स हमें चूज करने क्या क्या
Those are really good.
या
I actually want both of them.
let's do our final war. Be excited. Yay! Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I thought you were gonna choose that. Ayyo.
तुमने क्या सोचा मैं कौन सा वाला चूज करूँ? बादाम
Yeah.
मैं चूज करने वाली थी बादाम but it got this time we won.
Yeah.
Okay,
Actually, we
So the
got
last-
only one wrong.
yeah, we got only one wrong. It's like wow, super duper twin telepathy. Okay, so the final one to our presentation. It's like garnishing choco chips. Oh my god, I can't believe कि हमने सिर्फ एक ही wrong किया है.
I have more toppings than ice cream here.
Ice cream is like already melted.
It's ice cream shake.
If there is any award for the presentation, then it goes to my sister. Just look at her ice cream sundae. It's so good, यार. कितनी arrange उसने रखा है. इसीलिए तुम architecture कर रही हो.
Yeah, to decorate ice cream.
It looks so delicious और मन करता है खाने के लिए. But look at mine. It's completely mess. किसी को मन हो रहा है इसे खाने के लिए. Oh my god. Now let's just eat it.
I don't like melted ice cream.
तो मुझे. It goes well with these shots and all. गॉर्मेट और आइसक्रीम की कॉम्बिनेशन अच्छा है यार.
Good, but wafers is like, what do you say?
Soft.
Soft.
Yeah, really. Gourmet and ice cream. Best combination, guys. Try it out. Not sure about the spring roll. है ना?
I like it also.
ये ऐसे बन गया है ना जैसे टॉपिंग्स ज़्यादा है और आइसक्रीम कम. ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे, है ना? मुझे आइसक्रीम में टेस्ट ही नहीं आ रहा है. We are just eating.
I didn't like so much.
मुझे भी.
Ice cream and that chocolate chips. Just do that.
आइसक्रीम के साथ शॉट्स है ना बहुत ज़्यादा स्वीट हो रहा है यार.
Gems
like-
also.
जेम्स ऑल्सो. आइसक्रीम के साथ हाइड एंड सीक बिल्कुल मैच नहीं
Even
होगा.
Oreo.
ओरियो इज गुड. ओरियो के आइसक्रीम्स आते हैं ना वैसा ही है. तुम्हें किटकैट के साथ क्या है? यू शुड इट. दैट इज द रूल.
I finished my ice cream.
You have mine. As you all know, we won this what? Twin telepathy challenge.
With
We never
great score.
expected this. Give a thumbs up to this video and like, share and subscribe. Please do subscribe and press that
Bell icon.
yes, for the upcoming notifications. And if you haven't watched our previous video making her my
Twin
twin sister, then please go and watch that also. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Done. La 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 la. La la la. 1000 में मेरी बहना.
I want to eat something spicy.
We'll eat chole masala.